Get ready, everyone, because the Google Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, and you don't want to miss a single detail about what's coming with this next-level device. Imagine holding a phone in your hand that not only pushes boundaries but also redefines the way we experience AI, photography, and performance. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, the Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to deliver just that, and today, I'm going to walk you through every feature, every upgrade, and every surprise that Google has packed into this powerhouse. But before we dive deep, let me ask you, do you think the Pixel 10 Pro can truly take the crown as the smartest smartphone in 2025? Stick with me until the end, because I've got a special surprise for those of you who love secrets hidden in tech leaks. So, let's start with the design. The Pixel 10 Pro is expected to feature a sleek, futuristic look with slimmer bezels, a titanium frame for extra durability, and a curved-edge OLED display that supports a breathtaking 2K resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Imagine gaming, scrolling, and watching your favorite Netflix shows on this smooth, ultra-bright screen that adjusts dynamically to lighting conditions, saving battery life while giving you cinematic visuals. And speaking of battery, Google is rumored to include a 5,200 mAh battery with 100W fast charging and even 50W wireless charging, meaning you can juice up your phone in just minutes instead of hours. Plus, the optimization from Google's AI-driven software ensures your phone learns your usage habits, extending battery life throughout the day. Now, let's talk performance, because this phone isn't just about looks, it's about raw power. The Pixel 10 Pro will reportedly be powered by Google's latest Tensor G5 chip, built on a 3nm architecture, designed not only for speed, but also for smarter AI processing. This means faster multitasking, smoother gaming, and real-time enhancements in everything you do, from video editing to language translation. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this device is ready to handle anything you throw at it. And if you thought that was enough, wait until you hear about the cameras. Google is famous for its camera magic, but the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to raise the bar even higher. We're talking about a triple lens system with a 200MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 10x optical zoom. Night Sight, Astrophotography, and portrait mode are getting major AI upgrades, with real-time object recognition and instant background replacement that makes professional photography as simple as a tap. Imagine pointing your camera at the night sky and capturing galaxies like a telescope. That's the kind of innovation we're expecting. And here's where the suspense kicks in. Insiders suggest Google might introduce an AI video director mode, allowing you to shoot videos like a pro with live suggestions on angles, lighting, and even automatic editing. If that rumor turns out true, the Pixel 10 Pro might completely change how we think about smartphone filmmaking. But wait, when can you get your hands on it? Reports point to an October 2025 launch, keeping with Google's usual Pixel release cycle. And the price? While nothing is official yet, leaks suggest it will start around $1,199, making it a direct competitor to Apple's iPhone 17 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra. The real question is, will you go for the AI Smart Pixel or stick with its rivals? Let me know in the comments, because this debate is about to heat up. Now, here's the power setup to end things strong. The Google Pixel 10 Pro isn't just another phone. It's the future of smartphones in your pocket, packed with innovations in AI, cameras, display, and battery that could leave competitors scrambling to catch up. And for those of you who stayed until the very end, here's the surprise I promised. Rumor has it Google is secretly working on an invisible selfie camera hidden under the display, and it might make its debut with the Pixel 10 Pro, but Google hasn't confirmed it yet. Imagine taking selfies without even seeing the camera. That's pure sci-fi turning into reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And trust me, you won't want to miss my upcoming videos, because the world of smartphones is about to get even crazier.